The Z-20J, a shipborne variant of Chinese versatile Z-20 helicopter, represents a significant step forward in the modernization of the People's Liberation Army Navy's rotating wing aviation capabilities. Making its public debut on November 8, 2024 at the Zhuhai Air Show, this naval adaptation underscores China's commitment to developing a robust, self-reliant fleet of utility and combat helicopters tailored for both land and maritime operations. The Z-20, developed by the Harbin Aircraft Industry Group, first took flight on December 23, 2013 and entered service in 2019. Designed to address a long-standing need for an untrained helicopter capable of operating at high altitudes and in diverse environments, the Z-20 serves multiple branches of the Chinese military, including the Army, Navy, Air Force, and Armed Police. The helicopter's development was spurred by geopolitical restrictions following the 1989 Tiananmen Square incident, which halted the procurement of US-made S-70 Black Hawk helicopters. The Z-20 project sought to replace the aging Black Hawks with a domestically produced, technologically advanced alternative. The helicopter incorporates numerous innovations, including 5-blade rotor system, enhances stability and lift compared to the 4-blade system of the Black Hawk. The fly-by-wire controls. This improves maneuverability and reduces pilot workload. The WZ-10 turboshaft engine enables operation at altitudes exceeding 4,000 meters. The advanced avionics. These features include multifunction LCD displays, laser anti-collision radar, and radar and missile warning systems. Composite materials. These reduce weight while improving structural durability. With over 80 units produced by December 2020 and projected production exceeding 3,000 units, the Z-20 family has become a cornerstone of China's military aviation fleet. The Z-20J was developed specifically for shipborne operations. Designed for deployment aboard China's aircraft carriers, amphibious assault ships, and other large naval vessels, the Z-20J adapts the land-based Z-20 platform to meet the unique challenges of maritime operations. The key features of the Z-20J include the foldable rotor blades. This allowed for compact storage aboard naval vessels. The enhanced corrosion resistance. This is essential for enduring harsh maritime environments. The naval avionics suite. This incorporates radar systems optimized for sea-based operations and anti-submarine warfare. The anti-submarine capabilities. This includes sonar buoys, torpedoes, and sea search radar for detecting and neutralizing underwater threats. The Z-20J can support anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, and transport operations. The helicopter's robust design and advanced capabilities make it a critical asset for ensuring maritime security and supporting People's Liberation Army Navy operations across the South China Sea, the East China Sea, and other strategic regions. Although the Z-20J is a relatively new addition to the People's Liberation Army Navy, its land-based counterparts have already proven their effectiveness in a variety of roles. The Z-20 has been used in disaster relief, high-altitude logistics, troop transport, and reconnaissance missions. The Z-20J's deployment is expected to focus on carrier strike groups, This supporting China's growing fleet of aircraft carriers, including the Liaoning, Shandong, and the newly launched Fujian. The amphibious operations. This enhancing the People's Liberation Army's Navy's ability to project power in contested maritime zones. The anti-submarine warfare. This bolstering China's defenses against submarine incursions from rival navies, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. The search and rescue. This assisting in humanitarian and disaster response missions, reflecting China's growing emphasis on non-combat operations. The Z-20J enhances China's naval aviation capabilities in several key areas. With its advanced radar and sonar systems, the Z-20J can monitor extensive maritime zones, a critical function amid growing tensions in the South China Sea. The helicopter's ability to detect and neutralize submarines addresses an increasing submarine presence from regional adversaries. The Z-20J supports China's broader strategy of expanding its naval presence and influence in critical waterways. The Z-20J's capabilities align with those of Western naval helicopters, such as the MH-60 Seahawk, narrowing the technological gap between China and other major naval powers. Currently operated exclusively by the People's Liberation Army, the Z-20J represents the leading edge of China's naval helicopter fleet. Its development and deployment align with the People's Liberation Army Navy's modernization goals, which emphasize building a world-class Navy by 2049. Future developments for the Z-20J may include integration of AI systems, this enhancing situational awareness and mission planning. The increased interoperability, upgrades to communication systems for seamless coordination with other naval vessels. Expanded export potential. As China seeks to strengthen ties with allied nations, a modified version of the Z-20J could become an attractive export option for countries looking to modernize their naval aviation fleets. The Z-20J is a symbol of China's commitment to building a self-reliant and technologically advanced military. As a versatile and capable shipborne helicopter, it will play a crucial role in enhancing the People's Liberation Army Navy's operational flexibility, maritime security, and power projection capability. With its debut at the Zhuhai Air Show 2024, the Z-20J signals China's readiness to compete with the world's leading naval powers in both innovation and strategic capability.